Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick guide, I will show you how to contact Kraken customer support. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Kraken app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon in the top left and here find this option called Support, Help or Support Center and tap on it. You can search for articles using this tab or simply tap Contact Us at the bottom. Tap Chat with Us. And here you can use the 24/7 live chat to talk with an agent. Make sure to describe your issue clearly and include any screenshots if needed. And that's it. Kraken's support team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.